What's up, mi gente? Today we're back in the kitchen and we're going to be making some salmon nuggets. First, we'll start by cutting them up into small cube size, just like this. The size is really important because it'll allow for them to cook evenly. And now it's time for some adobo. And some chili powder. Now some garlic pepper. And mix really well. And now for some cornstarch. You do not have to add so much of it. I added about 1/8 of a cup worth of cornstarch and then I mixed it up. Make sure that you mix it up evenly so that they're perfectly coated. When you take a look at them, you're gonna see that it's a very light coat at the end. And then now for some Old Bay seasoning. I like to use the blackened seasoning. For this particular recipe, you can use the original if you'd like. And now onto the air fryer. And take a look at these. They look absolutely amazing. Lightly fried, and look how soft they are. They literally just break up in my hand. Now it's time to add on our soy honey glaze and give it a good mix. To continue on with my glaze, I decided to take them out of the air fryer basket, leaving the lining. If you guys enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.